Assalamualaikum everyone! Welcome back to another story here in Pakistan. For today's video, samahan niyo ako dahil pupunta tayo sa Aga Khan Hospital dito sa Hyderabad para magpa-check up. Hospital vlog muna tayo because health is wealth. So pagdating ko dito, first impression ko talaga ang ganda ng place. Sobrang linis, maayos at ang daming mga tanim na halaman sa paligid. Kaya relaxing yung vibe. Hindi siya yung typical na hospital na parang nakaka-stress tignan. Medyo calm and comfortable yung atmosphere. Pero guys, real talk, medyo matagal din akong naghintay kasi super daming patients. So habang naghihintay, people watching muna, konting lakad-lakad at appreciate ang magandang surroundings para hindi mabored. Pero organized naman yung system nila, kaya okay pa rin. After waiting, finally tinawag na ako for consultation. Doctor's fee is 2,100 rupees. Then after consultation, surprise, may additional missions tayo, pinag-blood test ako, and another 4,100 rupees. Hindi pa tapos guys, next level tayo. Ultrasound naman. At ang bayad ay 2,600. And syempre, hindi mawawala ang ending, dumaan tayo sa pharmacy para bumili ng gamot. And umabot ito ng 3,000 rupees. So ito ang final gastos natin today. 11,600 rupees or 2,600 pesos. Itong hospital ay private kaya I think mas affordable dito compared sa Pinas na mga private hospitals. Overall, maganda yung hospital experience ko. Reminder lang guys ha, alagaan ang sarili at huwag ipagwalang bahalang health. Magpa-check up kung kailangan dahil mas okay ng sure kaysa mag-overthink. Thank you so much for watching this vlog. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you on my next vlog. Bye!